Hi friends, with EZSO channel, and today we have traditionally a week's episode. We will go through the production to see what we do. As you can see here in the background, we produce augers. In this case, we have augers made of stainless steel. In general, in principle, we produce any auger products, and this is the flagship machine, GP100. It's good that we filmed the operator because people are interested. Show me how it is produced on the GP100 too. Well, you can see that the manufacturing process is such that, oh my, the operator just twists the billet, the screw blank, and you get this geometry. In this case, it is a stainless steel auger I see here, chamfered. Well, because we have thick augers in this case, and accordingly here will be in order to be more qualitative rights and so on. Let's just here, we have a little bit of a production mess here. Here is the geometry of the snack lie. Here's the geometry of the snack lie. That is, you can see in any of our videos to make sure to see that we have no restrictions at all on the manufactured geometry of the coil. So augers are our profile. If you are interested, if you use screws in your production or you need them, you can always contact us. We can make absolutely any screws for you. Friends, we move on here too. Yes, I am tired of saying the word snacks, but what can I say? We have them everywhere. They are everywhere. We specialize in snacks. Well, and here it turns out that we are still assembling our equipment, machines of the GP series. In this case, it is a machine GP30, which is able to bend from 2 mm thick screws up to 16 mm. Including hard X we bend, and right here, it is lying on the slipway. I understand that it was recently welded, and accordingly, then there will be further assembly. Here, we also have the process of screw manufacturing. Here we have the clean area, i.e., the seams are directly polished. Most of the requests on this market require that the augers look aesthetically pleasing. And we try to polish the seams directly. Let's see how it all looks. Here is not the final version yet, but we are showing the process. The customer asked us to clean it, so we do it. Here, we have another flexible section. Directly, here we have 4 machines of GP series of our production. And here, we have guys working in 2 shifts, bending screw coils. You see, yes, behind me here, there are some blanks standing there. I've seen it here too. Look at the perfect geometry. You see, everything is 1-to-1. That is, you can see for yourself that the quality of the screws is at a high level. Friends, well, here we have the assembly of the screw conveyor. Directly the axis of the conveyor itself. The body will be assembled later. Here we have welding without axial screws. Let's have a look. It is a very interesting position. That is directly very many customers are now ordering such an import substituting position. Axle-less augers are thick. Yes, that is, there will be no axle. This is usually used in some water utilities, let's say, in wastewater treatment plants. And right here, we have a section where this axle-less auger is being debarred. So, friends, now we are in the area of manufacturing of solid screws. Well, usually we are busy here, but today, it is probably a little bit freer, because there was a shipment. Well, we manufacture solid screws directly on this equipment. You can also order this item from us. These augers are used in the heart of agriculture, in particular, for combines. And when we assemble our screw conveyors, we often resort to the fact that we use, among other things, for the production of such a position as screw conveyors. Well, and as I said right there, among other things, that we had some sort of shipment, I was wrong. No, in fact, it has moved a little bit to another room. This is how it looks like. Yes, accordingly. These are the volumes we ship, and you can see the packaging right away. I know that many companies, even in Europe, they just wrap it up with some tapes, well, and ship it accordingly. It can all bend during transportation. With us, it all looks more reliable. You see, we don't spare any money on packaging. So you see, you can order from us including such positions. And, friends, I would like to finish the video with our new equipment, which I try to use and present in every video. Accordingly, here we're going to make flexible shocks, which are accepted in flexible no-object fans. This is a prototype. It is on test now, and in fact here you can see already, some tests have been conducted, respectively. Something has been cut here, respectively. Tests have been conducted. We will make a little more money, but you can already send us requests for flexible stack spiral. If you have them, well, and we will directly ship to you cycles of kilometers. We will wrap spools, and we will ship them to you in large volumes. Friends, at this moment I'll say goodbye to you. We ran through the production, looked at it once again, made sure that we have no limitations in the production of stacks. We do any position, so feel free to contact us at the link in the description. There will be a form to leave a request, or mail to which you can ask your question. I'll say goodbye to you for today. Goodbye.